Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app with the keyboard. So for example, the Messages, Notes browser, whichever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then let's enter the settings. And this option should be in this upper panel. So let's, that was a misclick. Let's enter the settings and the languages which are at the top. And here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard to enter this full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. You can scroll, or you can simply enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. So simply tap on it after finding, and right here we've got the keyboard layouts, and basically the number of them depends on the specific language, because sometimes we'll have only one and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the layout you'd like to use and untick the previous option, or you can use 2 if you want to, and then simply tap on Done. As you can see, in my case, Arabic language has been immediately applied to the list. So let's go back, because before I'll show you how to remove the language and leave only one, I'd like to also show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more different languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got the difference. And as you can see, in those in the more new, the newest systems, you can see the hint and the explanation what you have to do. So we've got this globe icon, thanks to which we can change the layout. So of course you can type in English and then simply tap on the globe icon and type in Arabic. What is more, there is also a difference on the spacebar. It's not empty anymore, and right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So you can always check which layout you've got currently applied. So in order to remove the language and leave only one, simply enter the settings again and tap on the languages. And here in this list, we have to tap on this edit icon, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, I've got only English left, or in your case, any other language of your choice, which means that we just successfully changed the keyboard language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.